In the quiet neighborhood of Seochodong, nestled amongst single houses and enveloped by the whispers of history from the nearby Seoul National University of Education and the Gyeongbu Expressway, lies the Seoripul Tree House. The name itself whispers of the area's past, a time when Seoripul plants thrived and the town nestled under a cloak of fog during rainy seasons. Here, in stark contrast to the towering apartment complexes that dominate Gangnam, a unique vision of family life unfolds. The residents approached the architects with a desire to break away from the traditional concept of a central living space. Instead, they envisioned a home that mirrored their independent lifestyles, a collection of individual areas stacked upon each other like building blocks. This unconventional approach resonated with the architects, who embarked on a design that challenged the traditional notions of a house. The resulting Seoripul Tree House embraces this philosophy of separate yet connected spaces. Gone is the singular living room, replaced by a collection of functional areas like a hall and a library. These interconnected, yet independent spaces weave together to form a whole, a microcosm of the city outside. The L-shaped structure opens itself towards the southwest, creating a courtyard feel with its high walls. From the outside, the house presents a closed facade towards the road, but a peek behind reveals the warmth of exposed timber and a hidden garden, hinting at the vibrant life within. This house is a testament to flexibility. The architects envisioned the family's needs evolving over time, just like puzzle pieces rearranging themselves. To accommodate this, they employed a hybrid structure of reinforced concrete and timber. The core of the house is a sturdy two-story concrete shell, while the upper floors utilize a heavy timber joist system, providing a strong foundation for future modifications. The light-framed wooden walls offer adaptability, allowing for easy reconfiguration as the family's needs change. This thoughtful blend of materials and structural elements ensures a home that can grow and adapt alongside its inhabitants, creating a space that is both functional and a celebration of unique materials and design.